Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the very important updates coming forward related to TCS exam NQT, that finally survey mail has been out, and this one the biggest update. So I will provide complete detail, what are the detail you have to prove and all those things. So make sure to go through the video completely, okay? And because this is one of the important updates, and those who haven't started preparation, I will suggest start prepare and do coding. I've already launched the playlist and I'm providing you free present material, coding material. So just go through that, just follow the things which I'm providing you, and you will see yourself selected. So you can say this is the mail they are getting: TCS All India NQT batch of 2024, 2025, 2026 detail required. So simply you have to just fill all the detail, and they are asking just for the confirmation that whether you are interested or not. So TCS confidential. Dear candidates, greeting from the TCS campus team. As a part of next process after applying for the NQT, we are sharing this survey link to collect your data or plan for forthcoming process smoothly. You are requested to complete this survey by 7th March. So if you got the survey mail, must comment here whether you got or not. If you didn't get, no need to worry, you will get the soon. Okay, those who have registered successfully, you will get. And still registration is going on, and last day to register is 20, so you can do it. Okay, and this was the important thing. So you have to give the placement related details and place training placement, basically ऑफिसर से जो भी टीपीओ है उनका ऑफिस मेल देना है, ये सब ऑल डिटेल यू हैव टू फुल. Please note that this survey form is exclusively for the candidature. Sharing and circulating the link to anyone else will lead to candidature cancellation. So don't share the link with anyone, okay, to any other friend who haven't got, because that will be of no use. And if you are registered, then you will get, no need to worry. Okay. Coming to other detail, they clearly mentioned that TCS doesn't send job offer any hiring related communication from unofficial mail. So be aware of that and don't click on any other link, okay? And your related area will be defined as per the things they have mentioned. So you should be careful about that. Now these are the detail you have to fill, which is the academic detail. Simply first name, registered email with ID with TCS, date of birth, gender and highest qualification and year of pass out. So in the next you have to fill the academic details, where full names, contact number and all those things. Make sure to give all those details carefully, and branch is very important, okay? And any detail if you will give it wrong, then it will basically create a problem, so don't do that. Talking about the other details, so you have to fill the college detail, and if your college is not in the list, then you can consult the TCS support team to their corresponding mail ID. So these are the details. Simply we have to fill, that is the college name and institute state name, that in which college, in which state your college is situated, then institute city name and the state or district. You have to give all those details very carefully, because this will be evaluated at the end when you will be selected. So make sure to give all the detail. If you have any problem, make sure to ask here, comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and you can also contact your TPO for any other clarification you require. So yeah, at the end of the form, you have to just click here the declaration that I inform that means all the information is correct, and you have to just fill yes, and you have to just submit. Remember to submit within stipulated time. Now talking about one important point, that is exam date. So when your exam could be happen, so it will be started from 10th March onward. And whenever it will be started, I will make a detailed analysis video related to that, about the exam pattern, kaisa ja raha hai with coding questions. So you can follow our channel. So for getting such important update, you can also join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There I am sending free preparation material, interview preparation material. So all that you can get in the group. And best of luck to the candidates who are preparing for the NQT. And soon admit card will be out. So whenever it will be out, I will provide update. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask your comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.